Hello and welcome to Ouroboros Automotive. Today we're going to be doing a small upgrade to my Jeep Cherokee. Well, actually we're going to go over an upgrade that I've already done. But one of those things that I wanted for the XJ, because I have it in my Fiesta, is I want to be able to see the ambient air temperature outside. And a lot of people end up putting in the overhead console, but those have become really hard to find. And so I found a write-up on how to do this, and I wanted to show you guys how easy it is. What I did was I got a rear view mirror from a YUKON Denali, and this one is from like the early 2000s. And the thing about these is that the black box back here actually has the memory chip and the motherboard already inside of it. And so it does all the processing without actually having to communicate with any other computers. So what you need is one of these rear view mirrors, and you will also need one of the plug end for it. As you can see, it's a 7-wire plug end. And so number 1 is your power, which is supposed to be pink but is rather faded. Number 2 is going to be your ground. Number 6 and number 7 go to your ambient air temperature sensor, which I'll show you here in a minute. And it doesn't matter what order or which ones you wire this one to, these last two to, as long as they wire up to your ambient air temperature sensor. And what I ended up wiring this to for power and ground was I tucked it up around and went down my A-pillar into my dash, and then I actually wired it to the back of what used to be my cigarette lighter, which is your ignition on, whereas your other port is your always on, you're always hot. So make sure that when you're wiring it, you wire it back to this, to your cigarette lighter and not to your 12-volt accessory port. All right, then the next piece is this ambient air temperature sensor. And this is actually an extra one that I got because I have a second idea for this. So I picked this up and just literally chopped it and took it off. And my ambient air temperature sensor is actually right underneath my front bumper by where the fog lamp should be, the stock fog lamp should be. And it does really well, except for in the winter. If your vehicle starts to thaw and then this turns into an icicle, it'll just perpetually tell you it's 32 degrees outside because, well, ice. But yeah, so these two back wires right here, the green and the black, it doesn't matter which one of these you wire it up to. It's still going to read no matter what. It's pretty easy. It's not like a diode. So, but yeah, and then let's put this back up and I will show you what it looks like. All right. So I got to put back up on my dash and then, on my windshield. And as you can see, it is currently 71 degrees outside. Works beautifully. It's auto dimming as well, so I really like it. But yeah, super simple, super easy mod. Takes maybe half an hour, all depending on how you decide to run your wires and everything like that. But that's all I've got for you guys today. Like I said, today was a quick and easy one. But that's all I've got for you guys today. Nice, quick, simple, easy modification. I did just launch my website to make it easier to order Ouroboros Automotive gear, shirts, hats, hoodies, things like that. Soon I will be able, you'll be able to order some of the stickers that I offer, some of the decals I offer, and things like that. So again, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for all of your support. Make sure you go like the video, like my Facebook page, share with your friends, share with your buddies. And again, just keep moving. Small projects, small modifications. Yeah, I can't put my lift kit on right now, but I can install a rear view mirror. I can put some switches in. I can do things like that. But keep moving forward, keep working on your projects, and I'll see you guys next week.